Today is World Pi Day. Happy World Pi Day to everyone. And why are we celebrating World Pi Day today? What is the uniqueness of today being World Pi Day? Alright, so please take note of the symbol pi. We know that the symbol pi has a constant 22/7 in fraction, right? Good. So if I decide to take this to decimal, it's going to give me a very long digit of decimal, okay? It keeps going, it doesn't end. So I'm not going to waste my time trying to get other digits. Now I'm going to lay emphasis on just the first three digits of pi, and that is 3, 1, and 4. So why are we choosing today of all the days in the year? Alright, so please take note of 3. The month of March is the third month of the year. The month of March is the third month of the year. So we celebrate pi every third month of the year. And on which day? 14, 14, 14. And that's why we pick the 1-4. So if I'm going to write today's date, I would say days, right? So take note of the digits that form the date today. The 14th day in the month of March, 14 and 3, 14 and 3. Every 14th of March, we celebrate World Pi Day. I'm sure you won't forget that, okay? So note that date. And that's how we got the date for World Pi Day celebration. We got it from the first three digits of the decimal form of what? Of pi. Another amazing fact about pi is that we are meant to understand that pi is the ratio of the circumference of a circle, the ratio of the circumference of a circle to the diameter, okay? To the diameter. The circumference of the circle to the diameter. I'm going to be using this circle as an example. Now take note. Now this line here from this center point to the point of the circumference here is called the radius. Okay? Now if I decide to extend the line to make it a full line in such a way that it divides the circle into two equal parts, in such a way that I divide the circle into two equal parts. Now this full line now is what we call the diameter. Okay? So that means this other part will be 7. This is a radius, this is another radius. So two radii, when I add them together, will give me 14, and that's what? Diameter. Okay, so this is half of a diameter. A radius is half of what? A diameter. So now good. So that means the diameter for this my circle is what? 14 centimeter. So now let me get the circumference. Okay, the circumference of a circle is the measurement of the boundary of a circle. Okay, so now if I'm to go by this formula 2 pi r, don't forget our constant pi is always what? 22/7. That is 22 over what? 7 multiplied by what is the radius? 7. So I have 7. Then I cannot divide 7 process of the 7. Then I have 2 times 22 to give me 44 centimeters. So I have my circumference to be 44 centimeters. Alright, so now let's divide. Now 2 can go in 4. How many times? 2 times. 2 can go in 4 many times? 2 times. Then ratio, how many times can 2 go in 14? And that is 7. So that's how we got what? 22/7, which can also be expressed as a fraction. 22 what? 7. That's one of the amazing facts of pi. Another amazing fact of pi is that without pi, we will not be able to measure round objects like circles or any shape that has something to do with circles.